Now, as for installing the new ones, okay, because I have a whole bunch of wires right here, and I don't have any wires right there, does that mean the new light has to be installed there? No, I don't have to install it there. I can decide where to install it. However, okay, I don't have to install the other one right there, and I'm not going to. I'm going to, and can I add any? There was only two here from before. Can I add another one? Yeah, I can add another one. I'm going to probably add another one right there. And then I'll reuse the existing wire. Okay, but I'm going to need some extra wire, aren't I? Because there's probably not enough wire. And in fact, initially I was thinking the first one would go right there. Now you remember I've got six lights. Do I have to install 6 of them right in this area? No. Can I install just 4 in this area? Yeah, or 5. And here's my thought. I thought, hey, wouldn't it be nice to put one right here, fairly close to the sidewalk coming up to the front door? And if I put one there, wouldn't it be nice to put one over here? I think that's what I would do, because that's going to provide light right there. It's going to provide light over here. When this light goes on, the light's going to kind of shine up here. It's going to shine there. It's going to shine there. It's going to look really nice. And normally that's where people put these lights anyways, is along your pathways, or if you got a sidewalk or anything like that. Would I put anything over here? No, I'm not going to, because I do not think there's a wire over here. I know that wire goes here, but it goes into a pipe, and that pipe goes all the way across. Okay, so I'm not going to put any lights over here, and that's okay. I don't need any lights over there. I just put them over here. You just have to work with your existing conditions the best you can. Okay, and I know the wiring is all in this area, and that back foyer area by the front door, nothing over there. And I know there's wire over there, because the wire comes from here, goes over to a time clock. Goes over to a time clock, and I know the wire goes over here because I found it before. And see, here it is right here. Okay, they ran short on the wire again, and that keeps going underneath the ground, and it comes over here to this timer. Okay, and this is the timer that does those lights, and then there's another wire from there that goes down to the backyard. Okay, so check out all your existing areas, because if I wanted some lights over here, could I put a couple lights over here? There's never been any lights here since the day we bought this house 8 years ago or whatever. 25 years ago, they did not install any wire here, or they did not install any lights here. Isn't that odd? You don't have to if you don't want it, and they didn't. But there's a wire that goes in here, and I can tap it onto there if I want. Even if I decide to put 6 lights over here, if I want to put some over here in this area, I can. I could do 2 there. I could get another 6-pack, or 2 at a time, 2, 4, 6. Or if I want to put 8 in the backyard, I could put 8 in the backyard, and get 8 more, or something like that. Okay, but for the time being, I've only got 6 to work with. All right. And the only place I can use them right now, and my wife, she really would like to get these lights in. She kept bugging me. These came in the mail a couple weeks ago, but I've been working out here, over here, and mainly over there too. I mean, it all has to be worked on eventually, but she really wants the lights in. So I said, okay, yeah, fine. So the only lights I can put in is right here. Does that make sense? Eventually, if I want to put any lights over here, I can do that later, when I'm working this area. Do you see what I mean? Okay, so back to the light placements. Okay, so I know I want to put one right here. Okay, right here at the transition where the grass is, where the concrete mowing strip is, where the little sidewalk is going up to the gate going into by the front door. I'm going to put one here. I'm going to put one over there. There's 2. Okay. Then I don't care about this wire. I can rework this wire however I want. Okay, so I'll probably this was the thing I was wondering for myself, and I'm talking it through right now. How many lights do I want over here before it looks too busy, you know? And I got 6 to work with, but I don't have to install 6. I want 2 there, and then I thought maybe about 1 there and 1 not there, but just beyond that over there. And then I was thinking 1 over here. Okay, that's 5, right? And we got 6. And I was thinking, well, I know there's wire in here. Remember, there was a light over there. I could add some wire and put another one right up in here. I kind of want to put one up here just so it would give it a little ambiance. You know what I mean? I mean, I could put it here, or I could put it right there underneath this rose bush, if I want. If we end up keeping that bush, and we might. See, I still have to figure out how to contour this area, which plants to save, which plants to cut back, which plants to rip out, which plants to add, and all that kind of stuff. You see what I mean? That's going to be later. So I don't have to decide exactly. If she wants this tall rose bush still, I would probably put it right there, because then it's going to shine all 3 directions and on the grass, rather than this one boink right out in the front. You know what I mean? Usually with rose bushes, I guess every year you should be chopping them back. These have way overgrown. Look how tall this thing is. This should be about probably this high, and that's why you see a lot of the stalks up kind of tall. See this one we just planted recently, well, about a year ago, and see how close down there it is. But either way, okay, so I know I want to put 1 there. My thought was, if I put 5, is that going to be too busy? And actually rethinking it, I don't think it's going to be too busy. And this is soft light, warm white, because I thought, well, I could get away with 4, right? 1 there, 1 there, and I could put 1 there and 1 there, and just stop the last one about there, right? Or what to do over there? Well, instead of having a downlight, I call these downlights, I guess, but all right, like these. I could put an uplight, kind of like the ones that I showed you in there. And I still want to put 1 over there, and I can either shine it on that bush, I'll probably shine it on that one, and have it kind of hidden down here, shining up there. You see what I mean? And then I just have to do a trial. Put it there. If we don't like it there, I could just lift it up, move it over. As long as I give myself a little bit of extra room. That's why when you wire these, you want to give a little extra room in case you want to move them. Okay. I could stick it right here if I want, instead of over there. I could put it here, shine it that way. If I don't like that, I could just take it, twist it, shine it over here on that one. You see what I mean? And we could still have another one of these, the end one there. So that would be 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. So that would be 5. I could either do 5 or I could do 4. If I do 4, then there's going to be a blank spot, you know. But I kind of like the idea now of putting 5. I was hesitating, going round and round. Do I put a 5th one or not? You can't really add it. You can add it later, but if I only did 4, I'd want to do it so it kind of makes sense and so it kind of flows nice. But with 5, then the second and third and fourth one, I may not want exactly where they would have been had I just put 2 here instead of 3. Does that make sense? You always want to try to keep them about the same dimension apart. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do 5, because that light is a down light that kind of takes here and goes down, and then the uplight can be over there going up this way, and that's not going to take away from the ambiance of having one over there shining down on the grass, shining over there, wherever, you know, if we got another plant there or whatever. Because I still have to figure out what to do with extra plants. So I think that's what I'll do, just for the sake of argument. We'll put 5. We'll put 5 and be done with it. 5 there, and then I know I got 1 later. Okay, so 1 I'll either put here or I'll put it there. Probably more than likely there. Okay, that's your first thing you got to figure out. How many lights do you want, and where are they going to be located?